Ano po ba ang naging basihan ng ating Maritime Council para sabihing this is not an act of war? O hindi ito kino-consider na act of war?
Unang-una, maraming salamat for the opportunity, Ray. Noong Biyernes, nagkaroon ng council meeting, National Maritime Council meeting, upang magkaroon ng discussion as to what policy recommendations will be submitted for the President's consideration in light of the incidents that happened in the last few days. Yung nangyari doon sa Ayungin. Kaya ho, ang National Maritime Council, being chaired by the Executive Secretary, si E.S. Bersamin, met the principal members. This is composed of the cabinet secretaries ng iba-ibang departments to discuss on the issues. Nagkaroon ho ng briefing na ibinigay ang Armed Forces of the Philippines para ho maintindihan ang mga pangyayari, yung insaktong pangyayari noong nakaraang linggo. So, one of the recommendations that was submitted, ito nga ho yung pag-announce ng regular na rotation and reprovision sa ating mga kasundaluhan doon sa BRP Sierra Madre. Ito po ay ginagawa naman subalit in the past, hindi naman ito publicly announced. No? So, ito yung naging recommendation. This is actually to assert our sovereignty in that part of the West Philippine Sea without giving anything. Ito namang na-emphasize ni Secretary Bersamin na kahit na sa pag-anunsyo, wala naman ho tayong ibinigay kahit anuman.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yun po ang dahilan. Kasi isa po sa mga nagiging